What are you doing?
I made a Creaky Cranky, and then this girl is a bad girl.
It's a bad girl. Why? What did she do then?
And now she made her own Creaky Cranky. This is her radio, makes music, and then if there's somebody here, then she can shoot this.
Okay. But what does this Creaky Cranky do?
I just shoot and everything.
Okay.